is impressive.
Yeah.
And it does it in a really smooth style.
Yeah.
It's not violent. I'm not getting like a single clutch kind of. It's definitely a very smooth torque converter experience. That's very impressive. I think it's holding fifth for me as well. And then it dropped it to sixth. There we go.
You're in sixth now.
Yeah. That's quite a howl from the exhaust as well.
Yeah. When squirt up the hill. Wow, what a sound it is. I might go to second. So easy to heel and toe in this car. Just revs so easily.
So completely stock 5.3 V12.
Yeah, standard engine, standard factory fuel injection.
Got it.
And everything else.
Standard wheels. And I
Yeah,
think the only thing that's slightly different is the exhaust, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
I think you've got twin tails like mine, very similar by the looks of it. We'll look at them later,
yeah,
I guess.
the twin tail pipes, yeah, they were part of the bits and pieces that I bought to put the exhaust together, and they didn't fit where they were originally intended, but I thought they looked nice as tailpipes.
They do look good. Follow it down here. Yeah. It certainly looked really, really good. So tell us about some of the challenges. How do you get something which is essentially almost like a digital